Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles. Right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with double value. Back to our document. In our previous tutorial, we discussed about the CSS outline style with what? With solid value. As you can see, the way the solid value is looking in our body element. So right now, I'm going to change this to our what? Our double value. So I'm going to change, and to do that we are going to go to our outline style property where we have outline dash style and change this to what? To double. When you change it to double and save your document, let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see we're having something like double right here, but we can't see it clearly. I'm going to do something for you guys so you can be able to see what we are doing very well. I'm going to use this. I'm going to give it 24. I purposely want to do this also so you guys can be able to easily see what I'm doing. As you can see, this one, as you can see the way this one is looking, it's looking nice, right? In our previous tutorial we have discussed about a lot about how you can control your elements. So I'm purposely doing this so you guys can be able to see what in the future tutorial I'm still going to be explaining outline of Z, outline width, and so on in our future tutorial, but I'm just trying to make you guys focus on this outline style property first so we can be able to use it. That's why I'm trying to use it right now. Please let's just keep focused on this for now so everything can be going smoothly. This is our double value in our outline style property. So anytime you want to do anything, you can use the outline style with double value. As you can see the way it looks nice, right? So we can use this also in our other element, which is this our fit set element. We can comment out we can uncomment this one and comment out this one. Now let's change this outline style property value right here to what? To double. Let's see how it looks in our document. Now let's reload our document. We are removing it from our body and give it to our fit set. As you can see the way it's looking in our fit set element. And we can also do something also just to see it clearly. I want to see what I'm doing clearly. That's why I will try to do this. I'm just going to give this 12 pieces right here. So as you can see, the outline style is the one you can find immediately after your border. As you can see, this is our set element which we wrote CSS box model there, and this is outside the border right here. After this gray border, you can have this black border right here. As you can see, the black border is looking nice. To be able to see this more better again, I'm trying to do something so that I can be able to see what I'm doing nicely. As you can see, this is our document is looking nice now. Please make sure you practice this because practice makes perfect. Outline is the line you can find immediately after your after your border. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace.